If you want to understand real English conversations more easily, this episode is for you.
Today, we're going to have a relaxed conversation in easy, natural English.
This episode is designed to help you improve your English listening step by step.
Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation.
Later in the episode, we'll practice a few sentences together.
And at the end, we'll do our word tour.
All right.
Let's begin.
Hey friends, welcome back.
I'm Jane.
And I'm Ben.
Today, we're just going to talk.
Like two friends.
Slowly,
Clearly.
so you can practice listening to real English.
Jane, I have a simple question.
Okay.
What do you usually do on a normal day?
A normal day for me is pretty simple.
Tell me about it.
I wake up around 7 in the morning.
That's early.
Sometimes it feels early.
Do you check your phone right away?
Sometimes I do.
I try not to.
That's probably a good habit.
Instead, I like to drink a glass of water first.
That sounds healthy.
Then I make coffee.
Coffee is very important.
Yes, coffee helps my brain wake up.
Do you eat breakfast?
Usually something small.
Like what?
Maybe toast.
Nice.
Or fruit.
Simple and healthy.
What about you?
I also like simple breakfasts.
Such as?
Eggs.
Good choice.
Sometimes yogurt.
That sounds nice. Jane, do you enjoy mornings?
Sometimes I do.
Only sometimes?
Yes.
Why?
Because some mornings feel slow.
I know that feeling.
You wake up.
And you still feel tired.
Exactly.
Your brain needs time to wake up.
That's why coffee helps.
Coffee saves the day.
Many people say that.
What about weekends?
Weekends are different.
How so?
I wake up later,
That sounds nice.
and I take more time in the morning.
Do you cook breakfast on weekends?
Sometimes I do.
What do you cook?
Pancakes.
Oh, pancakes are always a good idea.
Yes, especially on a slow weekend morning.
That reminds me of something funny.
Oh, really?
A few weeks ago, I tried to cook pancakes.
How did it go?
The first pancake was terrible.
Oh, no.
I think the pan was too hot.
That happens.
The pancake burned.
But the second one was better.
Yes.
That's progress.
Cooking is like learning English.
How so?
The first try may not be perfect,
Yes,
but the more you practice, the better you get.
that's very true.
Practice changes everything.
Exactly.
Jean, do you think routines are important?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because routines make life easier.
I agree.
When you have a routine, you don't need to think too much.
Things just happen naturally.
Exactly.
I think learning English is similar.
What do you mean?
Small daily habits help a lot.
Like listening practice.
Yes,
Even 10 minutes a day can help.
consistency is powerful.
Very powerful.
Jane, when do you think is the best time to listen to English?
That depends on the person.
What do you mean?
Some people like listening in the morning.
Others prefer the evening,
Some people listen while walking
or commuting,
or cooking.
or cleaning.
Exactly.
Listening practice can fit anywhere in your day.
That's what makes it so useful.
All right, Jane.
Yes?
Let's imagine a situation.
Okay.
Two friends meet at a cafe.
Nice.
They haven't seen each other for a while.
All right.
Let's try the conversation. Hey, Jane, it's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
How have you been?
Pretty good.
What have you been doing lately?
Mostly working and relaxing.
That sounds balanced.
What about you?
I've been learning new recipes.
Cooking?
Yes,
How is it going?
some meals are great.
And some are not.
Exactly.
That's part of learning.
Yes,
You try,
you improve.
step by step.
Jane, I want to ask you another question.
Okay.
What do you usually do after work?
After work, I like to relax.
That sounds nice.
Yes, work can be busy sometimes.
I understand that.
So when the day finishes, I like to slow down.
What do you usually do to relax?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
Walking is great.
Yes, especially in the evening.
Why the evening?
Because the day feels quieter.
That makes sense.
The air feels calmer.
And the streets are less busy.
Exactly.
Do you walk alone or with someone?
Usually alone.
Do you enjoy that?
Yes.
Why?
Because walking alone helps me think.
Think about what?
About my day.
Ah,
Sometimes I think about things I learned.
that's interesting.
Sometimes I think about tomorrow.
Planning?
Yes, a little.
I like doing that too.
It helps organize your thoughts.
Exactly. Sometimes after work, I like to cook dinner.
Cooking can be relaxing.
Yes, it can.
What do you usually cook?
Simple meals.
Like what?
Pasta is my favorite.
Pasta is always good.
It's easy to make.
And there are many kinds.
Exactly.
Do you cook often?
Maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
That's pretty good.
Sometimes I try new recipes.
Are they successful?
Sometimes yes.
And sometimes no.
Exactly.
That's normal.
Cooking is like learning a language.
How so?
You improve with practice.
Yes,
The more you try, the better you become.
that's very true.
Jane, do you ever watch movies in the evening?
Yes, sometimes.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like simple stories.
Comedies?
Yes,
Those are fun.
comedies help me relax.
I agree.
Sometimes I also watch documentaries.
Interesting.
I like learning new things.
Me too.
Movies can be relaxing and educational.
That's a good combination. Do you ever watch movies in English?
Yes, sometimes.
Is it difficult?
At first it was,
Why?
because people spoke quickly.
That's common.
But after some time, it became easier.
What helped?
Subtitles.
Subtitles are helpful.
Yes.
Did you use English subtitles?
Yes, I did.
That's a great method.
You hear the word and see the word.
Exactly.
It helps your brain connect the sounds.
That's very powerful. Jane, do you think listening every day is important?
Yes, very important.
Why?
Because language is like a muscle.
Interesting.
If you practice often, it becomes stronger.
And if you stop practicing?
Then progress slows down.
That makes sense.
Even small practice helps.
10 minutes a day?
Yes,
That seems manageable.
small habits create big change.
I like that idea.
Consistency is the key.
Exactly. What advice would you give to someone learning English?
I would say something simple.
What is it?
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's great advice.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes,
If you wait until your English is perfect, you will never speak.
that's true.
Instead, speak and learn along the way.
Practice builds confidence.
Exactly.
Jane, I have one more question.
Okay.
What motivates you to keep learning new things?
Curiosity.
Curiosity?
Yes.
Tell me more.
I enjoy discovering new ideas.
That's wonderful.
Learning keeps life interesting.
I like that.
And learning a language opens many doors.
Absolutely.
You can meet new people
Travel more easily?
and understand different cultures.
That's the beauty of language learning.
Exactly.
All right, friends.
Now, let's practice some sentences together.
Just listen and repeat if you'd like.
No pressure.
Just relax. I enjoy listening to English conversations.
I enjoy listening to English conversations.
Listening practice helps me understand real English.
Listening practice helps me understand real English.
I can improve my English step by step.
I can improve my English step by step.
I don't need perfect English to communicate.
I don't need perfect English to communicate.
Small conversations help me learn.
Small conversations help me learn.
Practice every day makes a big difference.
Practice every day makes a big difference.
Nice work, everyone.
Even listening quietly helps your brain learn.
Little by little.
Step by step.
Now it's time for our word tour. First word, routine.
A routine is something you do regularly.
Example, my morning routine starts with coffee. Next word, conversation.
A conversation is when people talk together.
Example, we had a great conversation at the cafe. Next word, practice.
Practice means doing something many times to improve.
Example, listening practice helps you improve your English. Next word, improve.
Improve means to become better.
Example, my English improves when I practice every day. Next word, relax.
Relax means to feel calm.
Example, relax and enjoy the conversation. All right, friends.
Let's remember what we did today.
We listened to a real English conversation.
We shared a story.
We practiced speaking.
We learned some useful words.
Remember,
English learning is a journey.
small steps matter.
Listen often
Speak when you can.
and enjoy the process.